Hi everyone. So welcome back. I'm Sejal Thakkar and today's episode is on your relationship with relationship. So when we talk about relationship, what is it? What is relationship? Relationship is something. It is like it happens between two people, or it can happen between you and, let's say, your mind, or if you are a witness, then it can happen between you and your thoughts. So relationship means one and the other thing, two things are coexisting, right? So now, the moment you think about your relationship, any relationship, it could be relationship with your spouse, your sibling, it could be anything. But if that relationship is the cause of you being unhappy, or if you are becoming like a victim, that because of this person or because of that person, I'm the one who is suffering, I just want to tell you that we can turn this around. Every relationship, whether happy or toxic, it is up to you how you want to treat that relationship in your life. Suppose, let's say it's a toxic kind of a relationship, fine. You have a choice. You can tell yourself that, okay, it's like this is the road and there are so many thorns on the road. Now you somehow know you don't have any option where you can change the road. What option you have? You can wear shoes of good quality and walk. So like that, don't keep on being a victim, because when you are a victim, somehow you give your power to someone else. Now you don't have that strength and power to change your inner state, and then you go into that unresourcefulness. And of course, in that non-resourcefulness, somehow you take decisions so many times you are not so happy about, or you choose something which you never want. Like if you are becoming angry, it's not that you want to get angry. It's like because of those things in the mind, you are just reacting. So what you can do? You have a choice that start observing that these emotions are different and I am different. Okay, relationship is part of the life, but whether I want to struggle, whether I want to suffer, or whether I want to learn and use this relationship as an opportunity for me being free and enlightened, that in spite of having some toxic relationship, if you are centered, if you are happy, means this is like a test of your life, that you have met the purpose of your life to be free, to be centered. And probably that relationship which you were cursing has actually contributed in your life so that you have become really a sorted person, or a stronger person, or a centered person, or a wise person. So any relationship, whether a great or less great, whatever, every relationship is adding something to your life, this way or that way. Suppose you feel that your spouse is not caring, I would just say, ask yourself that, are you really taking care of yourself? Are you really honoring your own life, your own precious mind and peace of mind? So if you are not taking responsibility of your life, Forget about other person who is probably so tied up in his own world. Yes, I know at times we have expectation, because it's obvious to have expectation, and I'm not telling expectations are good or bad, right or wrong, but when you become aware that I am upset because of expectation hangover, you have a choice. I want to continue being this way, or I want to take responsibility. I want to stop being a victim. I want to take charge, and I want to see the whole incidents with the bigger perspective, and that will give you the strength, because life is not something where you plan everything. So many things are there in your life. Instead of asking why me or why I have to suffer, I just want to tell you again that life is not happening to you, life is happening for you. When you have this understanding, I am sure that every relationship, will be an opportunity for you to be a better person. Think about it. Action for today is write down. Write down that probably you thought that this particular relationship is ruining my life, but today when you are looking at the same relationship, you can see that it has probably taught you so many things in your life. It has made you stronger, and it has taught you how to deal with all sorts of people, right? At times you have someone in your own home and you are not able to tolerate that person or the person's behavior, but now this person is teaching you that at your workplace, maybe it's not going to be that everyone is going to be so good and perfect all the time. There will be different kind of people everywhere, but now you have the skill. You have the skill how to handle those people and how to separate person and a behavior. So remember, Harvard University says that your happiness lies in your relationship. So take care of your relationship, be happy, live every moment of your life, and remember, you are special and you have everything to make your life a celebration. Bye bye, stay tuned.